in this workbook we have the following table, and the question asks us format the table so that every other row is shaded. Use a technique that automatically updates the formatting if you insert a new row. There are two ways to accomplish this project. I will start with the easy one. Since this is a table, we're going to use Table Tools feature to accomplish the project. Click anywhere on the table and you will see Table Tools. Click Design, then go to Banded Rows, check, make sure it's a check mark here, and then go to Table Styles and then select the style that you like. I will go probably with this one. Here we go. So you shaded every other row. If you insert a new row, the formatting will follow. I will pause the video, clean the table, bring it back to the original formatting, and I will show you the second approach. Alright, here we go. Now I have the table same as before, but this time I'm gonna use Excel function to accomplish this project and shade every other row. Okay, so before I do that, I'm gonna go to the next sheet here and break it down for you step by step so you can understand it. I'm gonna choose D1 as an example for now, and D1 type =, ROW, then hit Tab, close parentheses and hit Enter. Point to the right edge and click and drag. Now row give us the row number. Alright, we're gonna combine row function with other function called mod. So again in D1, click on D1 and hit F2 to put it in the edit mode. Click right here right after the equal sign and type MOD and hit Tab. Mod function need two arguments, number and divisor. The number we're gonna give it row, and divisor we're gonna give it number 2. So after the parentheses on the row, type comma, then 2, close parentheses, hit enter. D1 again, point to the right edge, double click and send it down. Now here we go, we have mod and row function combined deliver 101010. That's good. We're gonna add another condition to convert it from 101010 to true false statement. Click on D1 again, hit F2, put it on the edit mode, or you click here, then type =1, hit enter. D1 again, point to the right edge, double click to send it down. Now we have true and false statement here. We can use it with the conditional formatting. Click on D1 again, hit F2, highlight everything and copy. Escape. I'm gonna go back to my original table, highlight the entire table without the column header, and then go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, Use Formula, click here and hit Control V to paste the formula. Format, Fill, I'm gonna choose this color here, click OK, OK. Here we go. You highlight every other row using a formula. Thank you for watching.